Okay, so here we are, day 2 in Christchurch. Time for more spicy food adventures. This time, I headed to the Noodle Monk at Thai Street Kitchen. I picked out a dish and chose my spice level. There's 4 options here: mild, medium, hot, and Thai hot. Can you guess which one I went for? So given that it was a holiday weekend, Anzac Day, I may have gone out the night before, so I'll let past me tell you how I was feeling at this point.
I'm so hungover. Oh god.
My pad krapao, I might have butchered that pronunciation, it arrived fairly quickly, so I got down to business. And let me tell you, it was a very, very tasty dish. But we are here to find out one thing and one thing only. Is it fire, or are they a liar?